So now our special guest is none other than Juan Amado Rondolo.
Hello!
So, interviewin po natin siya. Anong nag-udyok sa'yo para mag-CEU? Okay.
Wala.
Parang wala kang talent fee dito. So, bakit po kayo nag-Polsci? Of all the programs in the Philippines, why did you choose political science without education units?
Akala ko kasi maraming pera. Yung parang maraming dos.
Tanungin mo rin ako, ba't ako nag-Polsci?
Okay, Miss Andrea. Bakit ka nag-Polsci ka?
Sabi po kasi ng papa ko, puro daw ako pagdadahilan pag pinapagalitan. So, mag-Polsci ka!
Very,
Naglilinis sa likod. Naglilinis sa likod, oh.
Yeah. Diba? Habang nag-set up kami dito ng video, may naglilinis. Naka-DMD pa naman kami.
Alam mo ba yung ganito sa set, yung maingay, yung may ganito.
Totoo.
Wala naman kami umbrella color black eh.
I-ano na nga yan?
Direk! Direk! Ano ba ito, Direk?
Ginugulo yung classroom ko.
And then, wait lang, So, as a Polsci student, Mr. Jam, so, are you pro-life or pro-choice? Why and why not? Underline the correct answer and make it right.
I think I'm a pro-life.
Why? Not Sun Life.
Because I want to have an insurance.
Sabi
How about you?
ng mga tao, Polsci yan, ba't ganyan?
How about you? Are you pro-life or pro-choice?
St. Peter. Down payment 5K every month. No.
Again.
I'm a pro-choice.
Why?
Because, yeah.
Kasi lang yung choice eh.
It's the only choice. If you have other choice, then encircle the correct letter.
Or encircle the right.
Ano ba ito? Manilinis na to. Nakakainis na.
Ang ingay.
Can't you see we're having a deep talks here?
Okay, kasi I'm fixing the room.
Later na!
Later.
Alis na eh.
It's class hours
Direct
ko.
direct yung cleaners mo.
Nakaka-istorbo sa karera? sa industriya natin.
Oh my God.
My God!
Get ako
Later
dito.
na!
Dinidrespect mo ako?
Okay, My God! Are you in favor of divorce to be legalized here in the Philippines? Why and why not? Up to 50 sentence only. No erasures.
Right mind is wrong.
Go.
I am favor in divorce. So,
Why?
because, kasi ang dami yan eh. Daming mga manlaloko.
Oh, that's the reason.
Tulad nung namin, nung cleaners namin.
Ang ganda, di ba? Tignan nyo.
Yes,
Learn
very
to
good. Okay.
appreciate
Tingin ng
this
cleaners.
How about you? Are you pro divorce or pro ano?
I am in favor of divorce. In the first place, second place.
Second, in the third place, in the fourth, in the winner.
Sabihin, lasing ata to. Ano ba? Nakakainis, ipapansin masyado. Ganyan talaga pag bagong breakup eh.
Uy, loki nga lang. Di nyo nga alam eh, after 2 months. My God.
Mamaya ka na, may ginagawa pa kami.
You didn't even notice I was sad.
And you were sad.
Because I'm not. Alis na kayo, please.
Wait lang kasi.
Mamaya ka na.
So we're now back at our FGD.
Another setting.
Because the cleaners is so mad. Kasi bagong breakup siya, kaya she's in the mood to be with our focus group discussions with the snowball sampling.
Pwede na dito
Okay.
mag-FDD yung mga...
So I'm pro-divorce because why not?
Because why? I think yes.
Let's all stand up.
And wait, dapat may thumbnail tayo. Thumbnail. I-upload ko to.
Nakagano parehas eh. Yung mga yung mga teacher na mag-picture para sa
pa? Pecha Kucha entry.
Come to Disneyland.
So, what's your dream destination?
New York.
Me, Final Destination.
You wanna die?
Not yet, because I'm not yet passing the IPE or the International Political Economy, the hardest subject in pol science.
Or you want to become a board exam passer?
Not bored. I'm
A
not
bar exam passer.
Bar exam passer in Silo. Did I say
Very
that?
difficult. Like, level 100, I think.
Yes. Oh my God, look at that girl. Up and down the aircon.
Can you open the aircon and you could feel the light shimmering?
What's the iPhone?
Okay, what's your favorite song, Mr. Rondolo?
I think
Faster, this is just 2 up 10 minutes because I don't have a charger. Okay, time's up.
Ay.
Mina lang. Super bass.
super
It's our
big,
national
ah.
anthem, di ba? And
I'm
the
so sorry.
super like that.
Napagod na yung cleaner.
Hey, come here. I will show you our other
remove that?
friend. Come here.
Come here. Oh my gosh, ang lalapad.
So, sama ka pa sa thumbnail?
Pangit kasi nung angle.
Sama ka pa sa thumbnail? Kasi ako
Not sure.
Sige, kita oh. Mas principal.
Parang, alam mo yung mga tita mag-picture lang.
Sa Christmas?
Picture tayo.
Tagal ng thumbnail, no?
Okay. Slay.
So, ay!
Come here,
Miss
come here,
Cleaner,
come
come
here.
here.
You want to ask you.
We're gonna
we
ask
want
you
to ask
also
something.
about
Yeah.
some things like, are you pro-choice or pro-life or sun-life?
Sun life.
Wow.
Why sun life?
I like the ride. Thank you for sunshine.
Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy.
Yeah, that's my serious answer. Why are you laughing?
You're laughable.
You're audible.
You're edible.
Yeah.
Okay. Another question. Are you in favor of divorce to be legalized here in the Philippines?
Sure.
Why?
Why? Because, are you fresh from breakup? Are you fresh from divorce?
Divorce,
Or
yes.
annulment?
Are you widowed or widow? Are you widow or split type?
You need to answer the question. What are you?
What are you people?
What are you?
I'm a human.
Oh, we're aware.
Tignan niyo
Are you a window or are you
Yeah,
a twin
ganda,
type?
ganda.
Paanaling ko.
Oh, wait lang, a disclaimer We are graduating political science students from Sancho Escolar University, Manila.
Graduate.
Baka lang hindi nyo alam.
Graduate.
Yeah, we're graduating.
Yeah.
Waiting for the grad day. So, grad waiting. Amen.
Road to Manila North Cemetery.
Ano
Hey,
to?
Sheena.
Ayun yung sa salamin po.
Sheena.
What is
You need to
it?
Are you
answer, are you
pro-divorce or-
window or are you screen
Yeah,
type?
we should allow those.
Why? What are the reasons in your head?
Kasi, pwede mag-Tagalog?
No Tagalog
This is CNN
here.
Philippines. Can't you see there's a logo?
Where?
That's CNN Philippines, not Uniqlo.
Oh, you need to answer
I
first.
feel like
2 minutes na lang, oh.
divorce should be legalized.
Why?
Because there are...
There's a basis?
Wow.
It's actually,
Ano?
case-to-case basis as to why it should be considered.
The way it should
How about
be.
abortion? Should it be
it
legalized
should
too?
be.
I think it should be legalized, especially...
Are you aborted?
I don't think so!
Because she's born again. Oh, it's 10 minutes na.
Ano ba yan? Ilang minutes?
Abortion should be legalized, especially if the victim is a rape victim.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I agree.
and if she's a
Same-sex
minor.
And also,
Or-
if it's
Or they did that
accidental.
without the
Yeah.
consent or permission.
And if they just try, are we baog? No. Okay, that's abort. Okay, ilang minutes na lang.
Thank you for today!
Thank you for watching our vlog.
Diba?
I'm gonna show you our later. This is my classmate. She's Teacher Gwen. Bye, Teacher Gwen. And this is our classroom. And that's Anthony. Hi, Anthony. Okay, he's sleepy. Bye.